Hi there, and welcome back to the Straightforward Digital Strategy channel, where we give you bite-sized pieces of context into the current AI landscape. I'm your host, Peter Linton. On today's video, we're looking at the second part of the AI Fluency framework, efficiency. The four parts of the AI Fluency framework are effectiveness, efficiency, ethics, and safety. Typically, when you're measuring efficiency in a accounting setting, you use a ratio. So the simplest ratio I think we can start using would be the product output by the AI tool divided by the tokens input by the user. Tokens are typically how these tools are monetized. Tokens are sold per unit based off a certain pricing schedule that the companies develop themselves. Effectiveness comes through the one interaction that we have with these AI tools, which is our prompting. If we're able to deliver prompts that can return us results in less back and forth interactions, that's going to result in less tokens being spent on these interactions with the AI tools. In the future, these tokens are going to increase in price and put pressure on efficiency, which I think is an important consideration as you go about creating your standard operating procedures and workflows with these AI tools. So join us next video for the third aspect of the AI Fluency framework, ethics. Until then.